Hey guys, I'm back again, and today we're gonna unbox the Lookfantastic box. Now I really hope you guys can hear me. I had my tonsils taken out on Monday, and I'm not really sure if you guys can hear me or not. I can't really speak up. My throat is killing me. I have had so many surgeries done already, and they were pretty heavy surgeries, but I don't think one was as painful as this. It's ridiculous. I never thought taking out tonsils would be this painful. My temperature is up. Next to that, I also have a cold, thanks to the stupid hospital who has their heating set on 1,000 degrees or something. I don't know. I'm used to cold, and when I got out of the hospital, like, the cold front here in Holland struck me, and now I have a cold on top of that as well. So sorry, but I have the Lookfantastic box right here. I have the StyleTone box came in, and today the beauty box is coming in as well. And if I have to film all of them next week, it's gonna be a lot. Again, hope you guys can hear me. I can't really talk a lot, so let's just get started and honestly just get this over with. Yes, I did do my, well, kind of did my hair, not really a lot of effort here. I did do my makeup, yes, and it took me almost 2 hours to do so yay. Okay, opening up, inside it says, I am fantastic, you are fantastic. Oh my god, I can't cough. We are fantastic. Fan-freaking-tastic. Okay, we got the booklet here, and we got, come on, the Elle magazine, which, as y'all know, I just find a waste of trees and paper, because about 90%, this could be like cut in half. These are all ads, like commercial things. Like, look at this, there's nothing to read, it's just pictures. I don't know, honestly I could do without, I'm just gonna be honest. Okay, so now opening up the box, and the inside looks like this. Oh my god, that hurts. Oh, it stings, it stings. Okay, so as y'all know, I don't know the prices of these items because they're never listed in the booklet, and especially now that my temperature's up, my tonsils are out, I'm in pain, I'm not doing well. I'm sorry, I just don't feel like looking them up. So if you really want to know, look it up online. That YouTuber, I know. So the first thing in here is from Skimono or Skymono. We received multiple items from them already in the past. My goodness. This is a beauty mask, total conditioning, plus a deeply replenishing serum foot mask packed with shea butter, olive oil, tea tree, and chamomile. Oh, it's a foot mask. Okay, so this is what that fella looks like, and I'm just gonna be honest, I don't really use foot masks. I'm gonna pass this along to my mom because I know she has ridiculously dry feet and they actually hurt her. So I think she'll be really happy with this. By the way, if you guys are wondering what I'm sitting on, this is actually one of my old couches. I bought the new couches, which are right over there. I sold my old chairs that I had, dining room chairs, and my dining room table is at my mom's. I have hers right here, and these are actually for sale, as well as the table. So that's kind of what I'm sitting on right now because I don't have chairs in the living room. That's why I film. Moving on to the second thing is from London Style, which is a brush, like the artiste brushes. We already received one of these. I've actually, the same brand even, but I can't remember who we received it from. Maybe StyleTone or the Deluxe box. I'm not really sure, but I do know that I do not use these suckers, so I'm gonna do this in a giveaway somewhere. Okay, moving on to something that last month they told us would be in this box, which is this, and I'm really excited for this. This is Omorovica from Budapest, Balancing Moisturizer. Oh, that's it? Okay. It's a moisturizer. And this is what that fella looks like. Hopefully the camera is gonna show and kind of pick up what it looks like. But I'm extremely excited to give this a try. Let's just see what it does. Oh, there we go. Okay, so basic, hopefully you will see that. Once again, basic moisturizer. Now let's, ooh, there's actually a lot in here. Oh my God, my throat is starting to kill me. I'm gonna have to take the medicine. I really hate taking medicine, but I cannot stand this pain, and the more I talk, the worse it gets, so I should shut up actually. I kind of want to get through this box to be able, you know, take the medicine and stuff. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like lavender for some, wow, what the hell is happening to my voice? Okay, I don't know what's going on, but it smells really like lavender. This video is gonna turn into an ASMR video, like, no, just kidding. Actually, it wasn't even all that funny, but it smells really, really good. It smells very herby, like I said, something with lavender. There's got to be lavender in here because my nose is already running. So I really, really love it, and it feels very cooling as well for some reason. I really like this moisturizer. I can't wait to use it. Okay, moving on to Renew Skin Advanced Anti-Aging Flash Relax. Wow, I can't speak. Flash Relax Mask for mature skin. I mean, I got wrinkles, so okay. This gel mask smooths fine lines and helps firm facial contours for an instant facelift effect. Okay, promising. This is what that fella looks like. Hopefully you guys are able to see. I'm holding it upside down. There we go. So this is what that fella looks like. I love moisturizers and masks, especially like masks and night creams. Those are kind of my favorite to get in these boxes. So honestly, really excited to give this a try. Okay, we have, wow, we have two more things. Box is empty. So let's just start with the big one. This is from Skin Chemist's Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. It boosts, it plumps, it glows. Okay, this is what that little box thing looks like. It's not focusing, is it? Darn it, it's focusing on my face. Stop focusing on my face. But this is what the box looks like. Not that the box is so interesting because we're not going to use the box anyway. Oh, okay. I see. So it's like a lip gloss, and I'm already wearing lipstick, so I'm not going to try it out right now. Honestly, I already have thick, full lips, so it's not like I really need a lip plumper. But I still like to try it out. So this is what that fella looks like. It's like a see-through bottle, and on the inside, it's just like your doe foot applicator, like your regular lip gloss applicator. But I'm really excited to give this a try. And there's like a shine, like little tiny specks of glitter, like no, not necessarily glitter, is it? It's more like a pearlescent sheen in there, so I'm really excited to give this a try. Okay, and the last thing is from Duce. It's the Freematic Eyeshadow Duo. Okay, something's loose in here. It says Kate and Tenley. So let's just, oh, I broke it. Okay, open it up. Oh, they're actually like loose eyeshadows in here. Look at that. Two loose eyeshadows, and this one is, oh, it doesn't state the name. Oh, I think the lighter one is Kate. Yeah, the lighter one is Kate, which is this one. And it's got like this little slider. Hopefully you guys are able to see that, but see, it slides like that. It's pretty cool, but they're very brown toned, and honestly, I don't really use, this is the other color, this is Tenley. They're very brown toned, and I already have so many brown tones in my collection that I just know I'm not going to use them because I have too much makeup. I'm just going to admit it. So I'm actually gonna give these 2 away in a giveaway as well. Okay guys, we're done with this video, thank God, because I just can't anymore. My voice did a couple of weird backflips here and there. This is all that was in this box. Really excited for the moisturizer, the mask, and the lip plumper, and not really that interested in the face brush, the foot mask, and the eyeshadows. Honestly, the only reason I'm not using these eyeshadows is because of the color, because I already have so much of them. Because I know my mom has really problems like with dry feet and dry hands, so I'm just gonna pass this along. Otherwise, I would have used it on myself. And this one, I'm sorry, this is just shit. It just doesn't work. So I'm gonna pass this along. So, you know, half of the box is good, half of the box isn't. We got a lot of items in here. I actually really enjoyed this month's box. And honestly, I feel like crap. I'm just gonna say it. I feel so horrible, so bad. So I'm just gonna go away, get into bed again, take my medicine, and have another popsicle. I can't look at a popsicle anymore, but unfortunately I have to eat a lot of them. Thank you all so much for watching. Please bear with me. I am so incredibly sorry for everything in this video. I really am. But you know, it was either this or not upload at all, and I kind of don't want to do that as much as I really do like YouTube. It's like a hobby to me. It's not a job, so I don't have to do it, but I enjoy doing this. And I kind of, you know, I have a small group of like 30 people that actually like religiously watch my videos, and I kind of don't want to disappoint them. And heck, even if it was just one person, I don't want to disappoint. So bear with me. I think by next week I should be fine. They told me it would take up to 2 weeks, sometimes more, depends on your body. I got a feeling that my throat is closing up, so I really need to shut this video off. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Hopefully, I'll be better by then. Thank you. Bye.